Are you an interior designer, design professional, always trying to find new clients? Well, watch this free video. I'll show you how. Hi, my name's Nick Clarke. I'm a workplace consultant and have been for over 30 years. I've run several businesses, and there's one thing for sure, we're always looking for clients. How do we find them? What do we do about marketing these days in the design world? Well, I put a course together, a free course, to show you how to do it. It's going to be broken down into some easy stages. You're going to find it very interesting because you're going to first of all start with your core competencies, your superpowers. What exactly are you trying to put in front of which client? You need to make sure the client wants your superpowers. So that's going to be our first journey. We're then going to try and find out, where do those customers hide out? Where are they? I'm going to show you where they are, and I'm going to show you how to find them. And then in the last part of the course, I'm going to show you the most important thing. How do we put our portfolio in front of them? How do we actually show them what we can do? So you're going to put the right portfolio in front of the right clients, and you're going to know where those clients are. Please download the course today, join the community, and I'm sure you're going to find this an interesting journey.